This is a video about changing the spark plugs on a Skidoo 600. It's a Skandic 600, and it's a 2018 Skandic 600 with the four-stroke engine. You take off the side covers to access it. You don't need to take off the hood or anything. All this stays there, and there is barely enough room to get the spark plugs out, and they are deep inside the engine. This is one of the spark plugs here. Under this is a long coil that sits on the spark plug, and the second one is way back in there, and there's barely enough room to get them out. There's a screw on each spark plug. Has this T30 Torx, so you need a Torx driver like that, and you go in here and you remove that Torx screw, being careful not to drop it, and then you go way back in here and take off the other screw. You first have to release the wires. There's a release button right there on the back of the wire. So you push down on that button on the back of the wire, and this all slides off. There's a sensor over here that also has a wire. So push down on the back of that wire and get that wire off. And then way back in there is the second spark plug that also has a wire to take off to get those out of the way. So once you've got all the wires off and you've got the screws out, you gently rotate this a little bit and pull it straight up. And there's barely enough room to get that thing out. That thing is about 4 inches long, and the spark plug is way down in there at the bottom. So then to get the spark plug out, you need a spark plug wrench and an extension, about a 4-inch extension. This is actually just a 5/8 socket, and I used foam to turn it into a spark plug wrench, because it has to hold on to the spark plug. Otherwise, the risk is that the spark plug will be down in that deep hole, will be loose, and you won't be able to get it out. So you need to make it into a spark plug wrench. And I just used some of this foam to convert a 5/8 inch socket into a spark plug wrench, and just made a hole in it, pushed it down in there, so it grips the end of the spark plug, and you don't end up with the spark plug down deep in that hole and no way to fish it out. So and then I use the vice grips, because there's actually not enough room in there to maneuver with the extension. You can't just put all this stuff together and expect to get it back in, especially the back spark plug. So you need to put these things in kind of one at a time. So I use the vice grips to get this part over the hole, and then insert the extension, and then insert your wrench. It's nice to have a wrench that's adjustable here. You might be able to do it with one without, but it's nice to have it adjustable like that. And I actually use a second pair of pliers to help hold on to things, because it's kind of the sequence of the socket, the extension, the wrench, getting all those together. Once you've got it loose, you've got to undo. You have to take the socket off, take the extension off, and then use this to pull out the socket and the spark plug together. Then you put in the new spark plug, and repeat. It's a little messy, but maybe there's an easier way, but that's what I figured out how to do it, and I managed to successfully change the spark plugs on a Skandic 2018 Skidoo.